Hello, this is ACI with a video tutorial to explain the difference between horizontal and vertical orientation. First, you'll start off by loading the software and making sure you are logged in. Next, you can hit press on the left-hand side or hit products at the top, and then with this drop-down, locate that proper catalog. So I'm going to show this with our press printed postcards. So I've already located that postcard, and I'm wanting to get a two-sided postcard. So usually this orientation issue only really applies to our two-sided card. And right below that, you would select that orientation. So your options here are horizontal, vertical, or split. So to start off, we'll go with that vertical one with a 5x7 card. I have my template here. And then at the bottom, you can see my images. So the first two are vertical, while the second two are horizontal. You want to make sure you are using vertical images with regard to the vertical template. So I have my vertical postcard selected, so I'm going to drag in my vertical images. At the very top of this, there is a note in red that this template is for vertical cards only. Do not use horizontal images in this template. So we would not want to use these second two images within here and then just flip them. That would be the wrong way to order this. Another way to make sure this is in the proper orientation is to look at the corners of the template. So this corner and then this corner would match up, since both of them have a black square with a white dot, while this corner and this corner would match up because both of them are a white square with 4 black dots. Same goes for the bottom corners. Also, another thing to keep in mind for this is you're wanting to make sure you have the proper rotation, so keep all heads vertical. So this would be the proper way to order this card. The wrong way to order, I can definitely show you. So I'll go ahead and remove these cards and then drag in this horizontal card into this vertical template. So this would be the wrong way to order this. You do not want to place horizontal images within that vertical template. You can see this is wrong by looking at the corners. You would see that this corner and this corner matches up, and then same goes for the other ones. So if both of these are back to back and you're holding this front piece facing you with the heads being vertical, and you flip it like a page in the book, you would see that this back piece would be upside down. So that would not be the proper orientation. You want to make sure you are using the proper orientated card or image for the template. So I'll go ahead and remove this and then place my vertical images within this vertical template and then hit add to order. To show you with the horizontal one, I'll switch my option over here to the horizontal card and then select that proper template. I'll go ahead and delete these previous images and then drag in my horizontal images. So you can see the corners that are matching are going to be back to back. So once you have the physical card and you're holding this with the heads facing the vertical direction and you flip it like a page in the book, this piece would be right side up. So that would be the proper way to order this. Once again, this template is for horizontal cards only. Do not use vertical images in this specific template. And also, you would want to make sure that this is rotated properly, so you want to keep all heads vertical. To explain the split card, you can see here one side is vertical while another side is horizontal. So this is slightly different, but overall same concept. You want to make sure the proper corners are lining up. So this corner would line up with this corner would line up with this corner, and so on. Once again, the dotted corners match up. They are going to be back to back, and you want to make sure that the rotation is proper, so keep all heads vertical. I'll go ahead and add this to order as well. And then you can always double check your order within the cart as well with a little thumbnail. So if you have any questions regarding this, definitely give our customer service department a call at 1-800-728-2722. Thank you.